Yes, good morning students. This is the second video for this week, and here I will explain division of different types of fractions and then some word problems based on division of fractions involving mixed fractions also, and then how to find the reciprocal of fractions and classifying them as proper fraction, improper fraction or whole number. So such questions are I have to explain today. So all of you try to understand. Yes students, first we will see here divisions of fractions involving mixed fractions, improper fractions and proper fractions, all the types of fractions. So see 5 by 9 divided by 20 by 3. You have to divide 5 by 9 by 20 by 3. So at the place of this by, write divide. Then reciprocal the second fraction. In division we have to reciprocal the second fraction. 5 by 9 is first fraction, 20 by 3 is second fraction. So reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20. Then this 5 divide with this 20 divide with this 5, 5 into 1, 5 into 4. Now this 3 is numerator, 9 is denominator. Then in 3 times this 9 will cut. So the answer will be 1 by 3 into 4, that is 1 by 12. Next here, a whole number is divided by a mixed fraction. Okay, then first you convert this whole mixed fraction into improper. 6 into 3, this whole number into denominator plus numerator. 6 into 3, 18 plus 2, 20 by 3. So it is 36 divided by 20 by 3. Now reciprocal the second fraction. Reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20. So now 5 into 5 times 20, 5 into 9 times 36. This 36 is a whole number, means its denominator is 1. It is actually 36 by 1. So 5 into 9 times, now 9 into 3 upside and downside it is 5. So the answer is 27 by 5. Yes, now in this question, both the numbers are mixed fractions. So divide 5 whole 5 by 9 by 3 whole 1 by 3. Okay. Here both the numbers are mixed fractions. Convert into improper. 5 into 9, 45 plus 5. Okay, here we will do first at the place of this by, write divide, because you have to do division. Now 5 into 9, 45 plus 5, 50, and denominator same. Here again 3 into 3, 9 plus 10, 10 by 3. So converted into improper. Now reciprocal the second fraction. Reciprocal of 10 by 3 is 3 by 10. Now we can divide 10 into 5 times, this 50 is divisible, and 3 into 3 times this 9 is divisible. So answer is at the numerator 5 into 1 and then at the denominator 3 into 1. It is divisible in one time, here written it is one time. Okay, so 9 into here 3 into 1 upside 5 into 1. So answer is 5 by 3, that you can convert into mixed fraction also. Okay, which will come 3 into 1 time 2 is remainder. So 1 whole 2 by 3. See some word problems here. Now these are word problems based on division of fractions. So the first question is, a rope of length 13 whole 1 by 2 meter has been divided into 9 pieces of the same length. What is the length of each piece? What is the length of each piece? First you will write the statement length. Learn how to write these statements in such questions. That is very important. So length of rope is 13 whole 1 by 2 meter. Convert into improper. It is 27 by 2. Then number of equal pieces is 9. In question given, how many number of equal pieces? 9. Then length of each piece is total length divided by number of pieces. Total length of the rope divided by number of pieces. So 27 by 2 divided by 9. 27 by 2 divided by 9. That which you can get like this here. 27 by 2 divided by 9 equals to 27 by 2 into 1 by 9. So you will get 9 into 1 this time, 9 into 3 times. So answer is 3 by 2. Okay, means 3 by 2 meter. Means you can write 1 whole 1 by 2 meter. Understood? Yes, now the second word problem question is given here. By selling oranges at the rate of 6 whole 3 by 4 per orange, means one orange price is 6 whole 3 by 4. A man gets rupees 378, means total amount collected after selling. Collected after selling is 378. How many oranges does he sell? Means how many oranges he sells, that we have to find. So statement we will write cost of one orange. We are using unitary method here. Unitary method we are using, that cost of one orange is 6 whole 3 by 4, and since by selling all the oranges he gets rupees 378, means selling price of all the oranges 378. The number of oranges sold by him is 378 divided by 6 whole 3 by 4, means the divide total amount collected after selling divide with price of one orange. So that we will do 6 whole 3 by 4 means 27 by 4 in improper fraction. So this way we will divide the total selling price of all the oranges divided by with the selling price of one orange. You will get like this. So 300, you will write that 378 into 4 by 27. Okay. Now this you will cut here 9 into 3 time, and there you will cut 9 into 4, 10, 36, 1, 8, 9 into 2, 42. So freshly write that 42 into 4 by 3. Now this you can cut here 3 into 1, 3 into 14. 14 into 3 is 42. So now 14 into 4 is 56. What is given? That means number of oranges is 56. This only statement written. Number of oranges sold by him is 378 divided by 6 or 3 by 4, means price of one orange. So that is 56. Next question is 18 boxes of nails are weighed equally. That means their weight are equal and their total weight is 49 whole 1 by 2. Their total weight is 49 whole 1 by 2. How much does each box weigh? How much does each box weigh? So we have seen that total weight of 18 boxes is 49 whole 1 by 2 and weight of one box is, so we will find the weight of one box equals to weight of all the 18 box divided by the weight of one box. Weight of all the 18 box divided by the weight of one box. Convert into improper. 49 whole 1 by 2 means 99 by 2 divided by 18. So we will divide here 99 by 2 divided by 18. You will get that 99 by 2 into 1 by 18. So here 9 into 2 time, here 9 into 11 time. This numerator and denominator you can divide, so answer comes 11 by 4. This 11 by 4 kg you can say. 11 by 4 kg. This is only written here. So weight of each box is 11 by 4 kg. Okay. Next here given, Amar can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. Means this is the time taken. In this time he can cover 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer on foot only. How many kilometers per hour does he walk? Means speed, it is asking speed, kilometer per hour. We can use the formula also, that is speed equals to distance by time, or by unitary method also. Distance covered in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours is 20 whole 2 by 3. This is given. Distance covered in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. Convert into improper. 62 by 3. This means 62 by 3 kilometer. Then the distance covered in 1 hour is 62 by 3 divided by 7 whole 3 by 4. Means total distance divided by time. This only we are doing here. Total distance. This is the total distance covered. And the distance covered in 1 hour. For finding the distance covered in 1 hour, we have to divide only. In the unitary method also. If the value of more than 1, if the value of any term is given, then if you have to find the value of 1, then you have to divide. This is the rule in unitary method. Okay. Such as price of 20 apples is 100, then price of 1 apple will be, suppose that 5 only. 100 divided by 20, that will be 5. Same here, 62 by 3 divided by 7 whole 3 by 4. So you will divide, convert, it is 31 by 4. 7 whole 3 by 4 means 31 by 4. Then you will reciprocal the second fraction. It is 4 by 31 now. So 62 by 3. When you will write multiply at the place of division, okay, here written divide, okay, when you will write here multiply, that time only reciprocal it. So now it is, you will write 4 by 31, and 31 into 2 times is 62, and 2 into 4 by 2 into 4, 8 by 3. So answer is 8 by 3 kilometer, means 2 whole 2 by 3 kilometer. Yes, now the next type of question is find the reciprocal of each of the given fractions and classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fraction, or whole number. Means you have to say classify also that after doing reciprocal, the given fractions are, the obtained fractions are proper fraction, improper fraction, or whole number. So you can see the first, this rule you have to see, that in proper fraction always numerator is less than denominator, okay, and in improper fraction numerator is either greater than or equal to the denominator. It can be greater than denominator or it can be equal to the denominator. Third type of number is in whole numbers always denominator is 1, because we have to classify as whole number also. 3 classifications are there: proper, improper fraction, or whole number. In whole number always denominator is 1, such as 3 by 1, 4 by 1, 5 by 1, 0 by 1. 0 is also a whole number only. Whole number starts from 0 and all the positive natural numbers. Okay, now next here you can see that 5 by 7, reciprocal of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. Only interchange the numerator and denominator. This 7 goes at the numerator place and this 5 goes at the denominator place. So here after doing reciprocal, 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, numerator is greater than denominator. So the given fraction 7 by 5 is an improper fraction. Next 12 by 7. So reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. Okay. And here 7 is less than 12. The 7 is less than 12 means numerator is less than denominator. So 7 by 12 is an proper fraction because numerator is less than 12. Okay. So these are the cases. And when the denominator is 1, that time you will say it is whole number. Upside any number positive integer and downside it is 1. Okay, then you will say it is whole number. 0 by 1 also it is included in whole number only. Now your homework will be this is homework. Solve exercise 2C of chapter number 2, question number 3 to 9 from R.S. Agrawal, and NCERT chapter 2, exercise 2.4, question number 1 and 2. Thank you.